Morning guys, how you all doing? It's George here from Not Just 9 to 5. So we've just come back from a wedding over in Italy. We spent Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday out in Italy. So I've had just over a week off now with the bank holiday Monday. It's actually Tuesday now. Got back into our normal routine, got some jobs done, but it was a case of trying to recover from the hangover. It was a bit of a heavy one for a few days there. But we're back at it, we're back at work. We're heading off to Toby's mum's now. We are going to be taking our gates out today, as far as I'm aware. We're going to be putting our digger back together, get it all covered up and get that ready to go to a few other jobs we got lined up. Toby's got a few nice jobs. We got a new build next door to his house, and one just down the road. The one down the road is a new porch, and then we've got to head back to Sheila's with the digger as well and just put a really tiny footing through for the front wall, so we can get that wall sorted for them and get that job completely wrapped up. We're pretty much packed up and done there anyway. It's just a case of this is going back and this is another job on top. But this morning, doing my checks as always, and sadly we'd lost a chicken. Not sure why, just went in there this morning and she was dead. I'm guessing just old age, because they got plenty of food, plenty of water. They get all their different minerals and everything they need. But they're ex-battery hens, so it's one of those things, we just don't know the age of them, and sadly that's the way it is. But they have a good lease of life once they've left the battery places and they come to us. They get to be chickens again. They get to be nice and free range and just do what they want to do. So we're not going to dwell on that for too long, but I'm going to crack on now, get to Toby's, drive a bit safer, and I'll see you guys at the job. Right then guys, we're at the job, and our challenge for today is getting these two posts out of the ground. We know they're very well concreted in, and they've got the granite steps either side and the curb edgings we've got to try and break out. So I'm going to chuck you guys up somewhere and let's see if we can get them out. What?
Me with my impeccable health and safety.
Unbelievable. Oh, that's a good point. I'm taking this jumper off. There ain't no way I'm breaking this. Someone left it on in the box. You got another roundabout?
No, we used to have two, but I don't know if there's a little one. I'll have a look.
That's what it needs. It needs like a smaller one with an actual handle.
and get behind it. One. Be out. Alright, they were in 2 foot.
Yeah. What are you doing with these then? Scrapping them or?
Yeah, just get weighted.
Fair enough. You're a man to bite off, yeah? Right there guys, it is absolutely tipping it down now. You can't really tell on video, but I'm still struggling away with this hole here. There's concrete all over the place and we got to move the post over towards the hedge more to make sure we can get these gates in, because the gates are over there and we need a bit more room, but this one's ready to go. And as you can see on this back end, we got a little bit lucky. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a pipe on the corner and we were just chucking the grafting at it, so we got quite lucky that we didn't smash it and break it. But Tobe's now popping off to get some postcrete. I'm going to chuck this camera in the dry for a minute, even though it's a GoPro, it should be fine. And I'm going to crack on, get that hole sorted, and I'll keep you guys updated. So that when concrete's gone off, when the post dries, it will so much loose. So I'm a thinker, you know? Critical thinker. Moasa. Oh, I ain't going nowhere.
The old scraper.
Sounds lovely. Oh, I swear I've just got weaker.
What?
I swear I'm just getting weaker. So you got a stirry stick. Should have split the front, shouldn't I? Sure. Oh, it's quite sharp actually. Really good for your lungs. Nice.
Well, that's one done. We can move some of that.
Oh.
Put some type 1 round it after. What?
Got it wrong way around.
Oh, it's upside down. Must spike it at the top so it
Literally.
goes in the ground. Shit.
Idiots!